ಏಷ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದ ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರದ 50 ಅಡಿಯ ರೈನ್ಬೋ ರೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲಾಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನಾವರಣ. ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ ಫೀನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಈ ಬೇಸಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟ ವಿನೋದ ಪಡೆಯೋ ತಾಣವಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ. ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವೀಕ್ಷಕನಿಗೂ ಮನರಂಜನೆ ನೀಡೋ ಕೇಂದ್ರ. ಸರಿಸಾಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅನುಭವ ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಫೀನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಇಂದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈನ್ಬೋ ರೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ ತಾಯಂದಿರಾದ ಡೆಬಿನಾ ಬೋನರ್ಜಿ, ಕಿಶ್ವರ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್, ಉದಿತಾ ಗೋಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನೇಹಾ ಬಿಜ್ಲಾನಿ, ವಂದನಾ ಸಜ್ನಿ ಮತ್ತು ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಪುರೆ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹಭರಿತವಾದ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ನಡುವೆ ದೀಪಗಳು, ವಿನೋದ ಮತ್ತು ಬಣ್ಣಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಮೊದಲ ದಿನದಂದು ಈ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಫೀನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಭಾವಿಗಳು ಹಾಜರಾಗಿದ್ದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Hi everybody who's here and who's been a part of this wonderful setup and making this oh my god, this is gorgeous. There's no word. You love it? Yeah. So yeah, it's been great and my association with Phoenix has been almost 15 to 20 years actually. I have done like almost 30-40 events with them. Out of that, 10 events have been all about mommies and babies. I started doing a lot of mother and kid events particularly because ever since I got my son, I look for opportunities which have interactions and fun element for the kids. Nothing can be as fun as this, and we want this in Mumbai. Are you hearing us, Phoenix Malls? We want this in Mumbai. And thank you to all my lovely friends who have been a part of this. Tejaswani, Udita, Devunya, and Neha, Chandana, everybody, Kishwar, all of you have been super moms. All of you have a journey. All of you have multitaskers. You have hats off. Let's do one big round of applause for all these super moms.
Amazing. I think the kids are going crazy already. And thank you, Vandana, and thank you, Phoenix, for inviting us. And I think we all are going to be have some fun, and it's amazing. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, like in Bengaluru, we say Swagata Suswagata. Warm welcome to you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me please welcome Chandana Shah. The experience here being here today at the Dreamland Rainbow Rex and the Mall of Asia.
I think everybody said enough, and it's a beautiful mall, and the whole installation is extremely beautiful and so exciting for the kids. We all are having such a wonderful time. So thank you, Vandana and Phoenix, for having us here.
Always a pleasure. Thank you very much. And
Oh, it feels great. Also because I have come here for an event, and the event has something to do with kids. And I have a kid now. तो मैं पहली बार उसके साथ travel किया है for an event, so it just feels very nice. And thank you so much, Vandana and Phoenix, of course, for having us here. We love it. You can see how much he's enjoying. मुझे लग रहा था confetti blast होगा, so he'll be scared, but clearly not. Yeah. Thank you.
thank you so much.
Fantastic, and it's a pleasure for the eyes of the kids. I mean, you can see it from the road, and they just wanted to be near, and now they're so happy seeing Bara. Yeah, how big is it?
Also, ma'am, tell us, how does it feel to be at Phoenix Mall of Asia, one of the best in India?
I think they really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vandana. Thank you, Phoenix, for inviting us.
Thank you very much, Miss Udita Goswami.
This is beautiful. It's a really beautiful installation. I suggest Phoenix, please get this to Bombay. I think our kids in Mumbai would want it too. And it's going to be really nice. You're going to get in a lot of crowd there. We have seen something so impressive and massive. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of crowd. And Bangalore is lucky to have such an amazing place.
Thank you, ma'am. Always a pleasure. May I now please invite Ms.